Hey everybody, it's Stephanie, aka Business Chic Mama. Welcome to another YouTube video. Lately I've been really just contemplating and thinking about you guys. How can I serve you better? What are your pain points? What are the problems that you're encountering? And as I listen to all of you, I hear that time is a big factor. We are in a crazy world. I mean, I'm a busy mom with a child that has high functioning autism. I get it. But over the years, the past 20 years has taught me to, really be dedicated in my work ethics, which enables me to have multiple businesses. But I know for some of you, you're just getting started. You want to open up an Etsy shop or an online business, and you just really don't have the time. So I'm thinking to myself, what can I do to serve you guys better, to give you something that you can actually, see results right away? Well, I'm really excited to show you. It was right in front of me. It actually was an Etsy shop I started working on recently. But first, I want to show you my main Etsy shop where I have made almost $200,000 in sales. Now, that's gross sales. That's not my net sales. Part-time. And this shop is it's beading supplies. And I started this really as a part-time thing, and I grew this, and now it's kind of running on autopilot, meaning I'm not that active in the shop, meaning that my true love is teaching and focusing on helping others. That's truly, like, I love this, but I'm so much more fulfilled when I'm teaching or inspiring or creating and collaborating. That's my true calling. So I've kind of put this on autopilot. It's still bringing me sales every day. But I recently had been playing around with another shop, which is, let me find it here. This shop here, which I actually don't have to make any of the products. There are a few when I first started out that I was making, but all of these products here are either a digital download or I work with a print-on-demand company. And yes, I know my designs aren't like anything outrageous, but I am making some sales. And this is something I'm just totally dabbling with, completely very part-time. Like I put these up 6 months ago and I haven't done anything and I still get some sales. I know it's not a lot, but my point is if I was to really work this shop and really start adding products, I would be seeing some serious sales. Again, whatever you put your energy into, whatever is going to be the outcome. So, of course, my energy is in teaching, and that's what I'm creating this video for. So I wanted to do a quick overview of what I call the Easy as Pie, Pie being the acronym for Passive Income Etsy Shop. And as I started doing research, of course, I've always known that many shops are just crushing it with their passive income shops, but I want to show you a few that are completely crushing it. So let me show you Lou Mark's photo. This is a completely on autopilot, digital downloads, and she is doing over $600 per day on autopilot. She creates these presets, which are these light presets for your photos and your blogs, and it makes them look real pretty. And she creates them, and then she is on autopilot. They're instant downloads, and that's it. This is an amazing business model, and actually business models that I want to start working on in the future. So I am going to be creating more product for the holidays in my other shop because this has inspired me. But I wanted to inspire you, so that is just one of the many. Let me see if I can get onto this other. Hold on, let me see if I can get onto this other shop. There's another shop I pulled up. Yeah, I can't get to it right now, but there are dozens and dozens of shops just like this. So again, I know that, most of you are just having trouble wrapping your head around this. So I wanted to make it really easy for you. I'm going to just show you exactly what I do. And then I also I'm creating a workshop in a couple months. I'll put the link down below, the Easy as Pie workshop. that I'm going to hold your hand. I'm going to build a brand new shop and show you how to do everything step by step. But for those of you that are ready to dive in, here's what I use. So I use a website called Printful. Now, not a lot of people know about this because Etsy does not show anywhere on their site that they are a partner with Printful. I just happen to know this because I've been doing my research and I know, print-on-demand companies, and that's just what I do. I find out the good stuff and then I give it to you. Whether you've heard of this company or not, it is the coolest thing ever. Seriously, you get your products drop shipped, and this is totally legit with Etsy. This is actually an Etsy partner. It's just not on Etsy's website with an integration. So this is something that you kind of need to know behind the scenes. But it's so easy to create custom products, and then they seamlessly will be imported into your shop, and then you have a whole business. You don't have to carry inventory. You don't have to ship anything. You just collect the profit, and you don't have to pay for these products up front. This is what I use, and I've been doing a lot of pillows. I'm going to be starting to add these are some new products, and there are other dropship companies that do this. It's really, really easy to simple to set up. You just basically sign up to Printful. I'll put a link below, and you pick a product, and then you literally start either designing right on Printful. So let's say we're going to pick this product. You can either do printing or embroidery, and this is actually when you're actually ordering. There is a place on the mock-ups that you actually can put some simple printing, or you can download a file that you've already worked on, or maybe you even have someone designing stuff for you. That's how easy it is. Then you go back to your where you have your dashboard, and you import your products. So I'm going to show you, let's see, my stores right here. You can even do it on Amazon. It's like just a game changer. You literally just sync your products, and then you have a little bit of editing to do once you're in the shop, but it is the coolest thing ever. So it's very self-explanatory. You can get right onto Printful, and it will take you through the steps how to actually do this process with Amazon and Etsy and other platforms. These are all your platforms that you can choose. So you don't just have to be on Etsy. You can do WooCommerce or Squarespace or Weebly. This is really just a game changer. Again, it's for me just something I'm going to start putting some more energy into. For you, if you are getting already flustered at thinking about this, that's why I'm going to be doing this workshop. I'm going to put the link down below. Make sure you click on the link and get on the wait list. I haven't created the program yet, but I'm going to make it super, super easy, step by step. I'm going to show you SEO tricks, everything that I've learned from creating that almost $200,000 Etsy shop into this brand new shop. I'm going to be creating another shop for Business Chic Mama. I'll be creating my own products. And this is so exciting, and I want you guys to go on the journey with me. Please leave a comment and let me know if you're interested, if you have a niche that you're thinking about, if you need help picking a niche, because we also want to niche down. We're going to talk about that a lot in the training, in the workshop. I'm going to call it a workshop because this is truly hands-on. You guys are going to be able to open up a shop within a week. This is how cool it is. Now, I've had 7 Etsy shops, so I can open a shop in a day with my eyes closed. And again, not to brag, but just to show you, I've done the steps, I've done the work, I know the process now. My goal is to get your creativeness out there even. Now, let me also tell you, I do not know how to use Photoshop or Illustrator or any of those complex editing programs. I am completely like a very simple Canva girl and PicMonkey, and I'll show you how to do everything on that platform, on one of those 2 platforms. So really, really exciting. Give me a thumbs up if you want to completely crush it on Etsy. And if you're watching this before the holidays, get your shop up and running before the holidays so you can start creating that income, especially on the holidays, to give yourself a little boost and say, hey, I can do it. So I'm just super, super excited about this because I know we want those easy wins, and this is by far going to be the easiest win for you. And I'm going to show you how to really, really crush it on Etsy. If you put that work in and then maintain your shop weekly, you can do so, so well. There are hundreds and hundreds of shops doing this type of print-on-demand business model. So it's so cool. Anyway, I hope you like this video, and I'll see you either in my Facebook group, on another YouTube video, wherever I'm around. And please feel free to leave a comment. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Take care.